Mr. Chair, pinapalabas natin na nagsisinungaling yung mismong presidente.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
I move that we delete the statement nagsisinungaling ang presidente. That's very unparliamentary. So move, Mr.
I did not say that, Mr. Chair. And allow me to explain my objection. Again, kung babalikan natin yung
Point
record,
of order, Mr. Chair. I have a pending motion.
Wait.
Masagot lang po yung mga tanong, Mr. Chair.
Point
Ang
of
dami
order,
pong
Mr.
mga
Chair. We have
hinahanap
already
na
decided
mga sagot.
that is Mutan Academy.
Mamamayan.
Point of order, Mr. Chair. He's out of order. We're not discussing NTFL Kakir.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Vice Chair Ching Bernos.
Mr. Chair, as part of the long-standing tradition and practice of the House of Representatives and Committee on Appropriations to extend parliamentary courtesy of the Office of the President
I object,
and
Mr.
recognition of
Chair.
his distinguished role and significance in government, I move that we terminate the budget hearing of the Office of the President.
Is there a second
I
to the
object,
motion?
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair,
Is
let
there
me
any
explain the objection. I object, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Objection.
Yes.
Mr. Chair, I object dahil sabi po ng Presidente, all government agencies undergo the same process tuwing budget deliberations bilang sagot sa Office of the Vice President, Mr. Chair. So kung ganun, Mr. Chair, na ita-terminate natin ngayon yung deliberations, we are affirming ang pagiging brat ng Vice President. And in fact, Mr. Chair, pinapalabas natin na nagsisinungaling yung mismong Presidente by evading the process of Congress na mag-undergo ng scrutiny, Mr.
Please
Chair.
take back your statement na nagsisinungaling yung presidente.
No, Mr. Chair, that would depend on the decision of this committee. Kasi on the record yun, Mr. Chair, sinabi yun ng Presidente, Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes.
I move that we delete the statement nagsisinungaling ang presidente. That's very unparliamentary. So move, Mr.
I did not say that, Mr. Chair. I said
Okay,
that
order
would
please,
depend
order.
on the actions of this
Order.
committee, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, but we have to delete that portion where you're insinuating that there will be pagsisinungaling if we follow tradition. No, because everything that is tackled in this committee and everything in the House is voted upon by the majority. So whatever the majority rules on does not mean that there is pagsisinungaling. It is just the will of the majority by which a democracy performs. Okay? So since you have an objection, we will now divide the House. All those.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes. You're right.
Mr. Chair.
Paki-off. Mr. Chairman, there are two pending motions. So we are tackling the first motion, just to be clear.
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Yeah, one motion at a time. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
The first motion is the motion of the Vice Chair, Congresswoman Ching Bernos, to extend the parliamentary courtesy and terminate the briefing of the budget of the Office of the President. All those in favor, please raise your hands. Please have a hand count. Forty-eight are in favor of the motion. How many are against the motion? 48 are against, and 48 are in favor, and 3 are against. The motion is carried. The budget of the Office of the President is hereby.
Point of order, Mr. Chair.
Yes, what is the point of order?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, Section 104, questions of privilege, Mr. Chair. Questions of privilege are urgent matters directly and indirectly and principally affecting the duties, conduct, rights, privileges, dignity, integrity, or reputation of the House of its members, individually or collectively, subject to 10-minute rule. Every member has the right to raise a question of personal or collective privilege, Mr. Chair. Gusto po naming makapagsalita, gusto po naming makapagtanong mula sa Makabayan Block dahil meron po kaming mga crucial na tanong kaugnay dito, like the foreign policy, like the Kibuloy issue, like the unprogrammed appropriations issues, Mr. Chair. So, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang mag-ruling kayo doon muna, Mr. Chair?
Yes, the chair will rule on the point of order. No? According to Section 105, the definition is correct. But this is not the proper venue to raise a question of privilege. The proper venue to raise a point of privilege is the plenary. So, Congressman Brosas, you can raise your question of privilege this afternoon at 3 p.m. at the plenary.